Good Monday evening, Southeast Texas. Looks like the weekend, your Easter weekend, looks pretty good. A little bit of cloud cover. We'll go with mostly cloudy skies on Saturday. This is because of an upper level disturbance, but right now looks like a chilly start to Saturday and about 70 Saturday afternoon. Easter Sunday, looking at a little more sun, still a cool morning, and the high around 75. Otherwise, over the next 7 days, we'll see well above normal low temperatures through Wednesday. Then we will roller coaster back down into the 40s behind a cold front. It's going to be chilly coming up Friday morning, and then we'll start the warming trend as we head towards Monday. Late this week, we may not get out of the 60s for highs, and after a high tomorrow around 80, we'll do 80 again next Monday. That was your 7-day forecast. The 8 to 14-day outlook shows above normal temperatures expected through April 12th. Today, very high levels of oak and pine measured as far as your allergy report, also medium levels of mold. Here's the next disturbance up into the Pacific Northwest and really the northwestern U.S. That will drag a cold front through our area. Most of the severe weather should stay well towards our north, but it will bring us a chance of showers and probably some thunderstorms coming up as we head towards Wednesday in advance of that cold front. So tonight we'll see a warm front move through southeast Texas headed northbound. That will bring us more moisture, more warmth, more cloud cover. Mid-50s ahead of that warm front, closer to 60 here in the triangle. Then tomorrow, as the front lifts up to the north, Futurecast not showing that much, but we think that with the front passing through during the morning hours, we will likely see a scattering of showers, maybe a few thunderstorms, and we may turn more partly sunny rather than cloudy during the afternoon hours. High temperatures around 80 degrees. On the Gulf of Mexico, choppy seas around 2 to 4 feet in your coastal marine forecast. We'll see south winds at 10 to 15 knots. Our forecast tonight, increasing cloudiness, cool, but certainly warmer. Lows in the mid-50s, lakes closer to 60 in the triangles. That warm front goes through. Maybe as much as a 40 to 50, maybe 60% coverage of showers. A very breezy day, probably windy in some spots. Could see some gusts 25. High temperatures around 80 degrees. So Tuesday and Wednesday, yellow bar days. Wednesday will have the best risk of severe weather, but we're only talking a 5% probability. So it's not going to be a widespread severe weather event if we see anything at all, like they saw last week over into Alabama and Mississippi. Nothing like that. So the cold front comes through. Our winds will shift to the north. And that means Thursday, we will see abundant sunshine, a much drier air mass filter on in. Good Friday, boy, it's going to be chilly in the morning, the high 66 degrees with lots of sun. And taking a look at the big weekend, looks like a lot of cloud cover coming up on Saturday, mild temperatures after a chilly start. Easter Sunday looks rain-free, and then by Monday of next week, we'll start to see southeasterly wind and returning humidity to our forecast area. Download our app, follow us on Facebook and Twitter, and as always, there's more weather at 12newsnow.com.